Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see first Instagram message without scrolling. So it's pretty simple what you have to do, so just follow my lead. So what you need to do is open up your Instagram. And once you have opened up your Instagram, make sure that you go to the top right where you see the arrow icon where your DMs are. So as you can see, where is one. And then once you are on this one, let's just assume this was a bit longer conversation than it is. All you have to do is tap. So all you have to do is tap like on the top screen, just above the username. So like this. As you can see, it went up, and that's how you scroll. So as you can see, with this one I have more messages, and just go tap above and it scrolls all the way up. So one more time, right over here, boom. If you have more messages, maybe you need to tap it a few times, but that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.